Okay, besties, today we're unboxing the Ulta Beauty Mini Brands Advent Calendar. Also, welcome back to my channel, Notorious Crafts. This calendar has miniature replica toy versions of beauty products. If it's cute, tiny, and made by mini brands, I already love it. And there are 25 of these doors to open, and I'm going to open them all at once because, let's be honest, I don't have that kind of patience or restraint to open them one day at a time. Side of the calendar has this miniature vanity so you can display all of the miniature makeup on the side. This set normally costs $39.99, but I got it for half off for only $20. I'm starting with box number 1, and it looks like it's a miniature hairspray. Actually not familiar with this brand, so this is new to me, but the cap comes off this, which makes it a very realistic looking miniature. And let's see what is behind door number 2. So this next item is a box. Mini Brands is notorious for having empty boxes of products, but this one actually looks like it has something. So it looks like it's a brush from the brand Dry Bar. Actually, it looks like it's one of their blowout brushes. That is really cool. I'm really happy I did not get an empty box like some of the other Mini Brand collections. And behind door number 3, this looks like it's a shampoo bottle. It's from the brand Redken. Oh, actually, looking closer, it's not shampoo. It's something called Color Glass. I have no idea what that is. And behind door number 4 is some concealer from the brand Tarte. And the top actually comes off so you can see the wand of the concealer. That's a really cool detail. And surprise number 5, I see a box with little hearts in it. Oh, these are pimple patches. I've actually used pimple patches, but I just haven't found that they work really well. Maybe these do. These are really cute. Number 6 is the largest one, so hopefully this one is something good. All right, I see a hairdryer, so this looks promising. We have another box, and let's see if there's something inside. I feel a little bit of weight to it, so I'm assuming there's a hairdryer inside. And yes, there's actually a hairdryer inside. This is from the brand Dry Bar. I don't have a hairdryer from them, but I hear that it's pretty good. So this miniature comes with some attachments that you add on to the tip of the hairdryer. So far, I'm really impressed with all of these miniatures and how much detail that they have. Surprise number 7 looks like it could also be a big one. Let's see. I see orange. What is this? Oh, I think it's a coupon. So this is a coupon for $15 off my next $50 Ulta purchase. So I think Ulta is hoping I love these miniatures and want to buy the actual large size product version of them. Hiding behind door number 8 is a miniature lip gloss from the brand NYX. I personally love this brand. I think it's a great affordable option for beauty products. This miniature actually opens up so you can see the lip gloss wand. It would be really cool if it had real lip gloss inside. Maybe I should put some inside of it so it's a real working miniature. And number 9 looks like we might have our first duplicate. This looks just like the other Redken bottle that we have. It's slightly different. The label is different. That's the only difference. It's another hair gloss. And behind door number 10 looks like this might be an eyeshadow palette. This one is called Tartlet. And I think it actually opens, and it does. It has a mirror and the little mini eyeshadows. In number 11, looks like we have a bottle of something. Oh, this is setting spray from the brand Urban Decay. I've used the real version of this setting spray, and it works really well. So it's nice to have some miniature versions of products that I love. This next one looks like it's some lotion. Oh, it's actually sunscreen. The cap does not come off, but the back has a lot of great detail on it. We are now more than halfway. We're on to number 13. And oh my goodness, this is the Naked Eyeshadow Palette from Urban Decay. This is one of my personal favorite eyeshadow palettes. So the outside of the box is velvet. There's a mirror inside as well as the miniature eyeshadow palette and brush. I had to pause my recording and run over to the bathroom to grab my eyeshadow palette so I can show you how these are pretty much the same exact thing. Both the outside and the inside of the eyeshadow palette matches exactly. They did such a great job with all of the detail and making sure that the miniature version looks exactly like the real version. This eyeshadow palette is one of my personal favorites. I think I've bought it like 3 times because I always run out of it. So I highly recommend the real version of this eyeshadow palette. And hiding behind number 14, oh my goodness, it's another product that I absolutely love. So this is from the brand Good Molecules. It's hyaluronic acid serum. It helps hydrate my skin, so I place it before I put my face cream on. The bottle does look a little bit different than the miniature version. This one does actually open so you can see the dropper. This is a really good miniature version of the real product. The only difference is that the label is slightly different, but overall, I think this is a really good miniature. Surprise number 15 is some lip gloss from the brand e.l.f. I haven't used too many of their products, but I hear that they are a really good, affordable beauty brand. Number 16 looks like it could be some hairspray. Oh, actually, this is some spray-on sunscreen. Surprise, number 17 looks interesting. Looks like we have some cream coming out of a bottle. I love how realistic this one looks. It's just so animated. I think this one is my favorite so far. They got really creative with designing this one. Miniature number 18, I can already see that it's a nail polish bottle. This one is from the brand OPI. I have used their nail polishes before. It's a really good brand. It's nice to have another favorite in miniature form. Number 19 looks like it's from the brand Good Molecules. It looks like it's some nice cinnamide. I don't think I've used this in real life before, but I do like the bottle and how it has a little dropper that comes out. This one is slightly different than the other one, just the label is different. Number 20 looks like it's a bottle of face cream. This is nice and bright blue. It's from the brand e.l.f. The cap actually comes off and it looks like there's face cream inside. It's not real, it's just plastic, but I love that they made it look so real. And miniature number 21, I actually recognize this. I have the real life version of this. This is some eyeliner from the brand NYX. Hear that there's something inside of the box and there's a miniature version of the eyeliner inside. I ran to my bathroom to grab the eyeliner so you can see it's pretty much the same exact thing, just a mini version of it. I use this eyeliner almost every day. I love how fine the tip is and I can always draw on my eyeliner perfectly. And now I have a miniature version of it. And now we're getting close to the end. I see another product from e.l.f. This looks like it's a makeup primer. The cap does come off, so it makes it look very realistic. Miniature makeup number 23 is a jar of something. Oh, it's some curl hair cream. I've seen this brand before. It's called Shea Moisture. Number 24, I can already see we have some nail polish. This one is another one of those action shot ones. I like how the nail polish looks like it's exploding out of the bottle. Okay, I think that this one is my all-time favorite from this set. Last but not least, number 25 is a bottle of shampoo from the brand Monday. It's in a pretty pastel bottle. It has the full label in the back. All of these miniatures are incredibly realistic and look like the real products. Here is the full set of the Ulta Mini Brands collaboration set. All of these products are amazing recreations of the real life-size versions down to the last detail. I'm really amazed by every single one of these. I do want to point out that these are not samples. There's no actual makeup product in them. They're just plastic versions of the real product. Looking at the size, it looks like these are 1/6 scale, so they would be great for Barbie dolls or any dolls of that size. Or if you just want to collect miniature versions of your favorite makeup products. This was a really cute set to unbox. I'm glad I got it on sale. It made every one of these miniatures about 80 cents a piece, which I think is a really fair price. I have a link to this set, so hopefully it's still available when this video comes out, as well as links to some of my personal favorite makeup products. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.